Have your legs lost the strength they once had? Do you feel weakness when walking? Or get out of breath while climbing stairs? This isn't just aging. It's a silent enemy that weakens more than half of people after the age of 60. But here's the good news. Just 3 natural teas, backed by scientific research, can help restore your leg's strength, improve circulation, and reduce joint pain, all without intense workouts or expensive medication. Asterisk C in this video. Asterisk have your legs started to feel weaker, as if they can't carry you the way they once did. You're not imagining it. Muscle loss after the age of 60 is a very real and common issue, affecting nearly 1 in 2 older adults. This gradual decline, known as sarcopenia, is more than just a cosmetic change. It directly impacts mobility, stability, and independence. But there's good news. Research shows that simple, natural habits can help restore strength, reduce joint pain, and improve energy. In fact, 3 specific teas, backed by modern studies, can support muscle recovery and circulation, without the need for intense workouts or additional medication. By making these teas part of a daily routine, it's possible to help the body rebuild and regain vitality. Sarcopenia doesn't happen overnight. It often begins subtly, with the legs feeling heavier during simple activities like climbing stairs, walking to the mailbox, or standing for longer periods. As muscles weaken, balance and coordination may also decline, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. The good news is that muscle loss can be slowed, and in many cases, strength can be regained, especially when circulation, inflammation, and recovery are properly supported. This is where certain teas come in, offering a blend of hydration, healing compounds, and gentle stimulation for the muscles and nervous system. The first tea to consider is ginger turmeric tea, a blend that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is now supported by modern research. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which help improve circulation and reduce chronic inflammation. Good circulation is essential for muscle performance. Without enough oxygen-rich blood, muscles tire more quickly and recover more slowly. As we age, blood vessels naturally become less flexible, which can limit circulation to the legs. Since the legs are farthest from the heart, they are often the first to feel these effects. Ginger can help reverse some of that decline by gently improving peripheral blood flow. Turmeric, the other half of this combination, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Chronic low-grade inflammation in the muscles and joints can make everyday movements harder and recovery slower. Curcumin directly targets this inflammation. But there's an important detail: curcumin is poorly absorbed unless consumed with black pepper, which boosts its bioavailability. In clinical studies, older adults who took curcumin daily experienced reduced pain and improved mobility in as little as 8 weeks. Drinking ginger turmeric tea provides these compounds gradually, while also hydrating the body, which is vital for joint lubrication and muscle function. Preparing this tea is simple. Steep fresh slices of ginger root and a teaspoon of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, adding a pinch of black pepper for flavor. Lemon or honey can be included. Drinking this tea in the morning is ideal, as it helps the body transition from an overnight fasting state into active repair and energy production over time. This small daily habit can improve circulation, ease stiffness, and support muscle recovery. The second tea that offers remarkable benefits is ginseng green tea. While coffee is often relied upon for an energy boost, it can cause jitters, digestive upset, and an afternoon crash. Ginseng green tea works differently. It supports sustained physical and mental energy, while also aiding endurance and coordination. Ginseng is an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. In older adults, physical stress often shows up as fatigue, reduced stamina, and muscle weakness rather than anxiety. Ginseng can help reverse some of this decline by supporting energy production and improving resilience. Green tea complements ginseng perfectly. It contains catechins, particularly EGCG, which reduce muscle inflammation, protect against oxidative damage, and help maintain vascular elasticity. These benefits are especially important for the hips, legs, and lower back areas where mobility often begins to decline with age. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that works with caffeine to promote calm focus rather than overstimulation. The combination of ginseng and green tea supports both body and mind, making it easier to stay active and motivated. One of the most powerful effects of this tea is on the brain-muscle connection. The brain sends signals through the nervous system to activate muscles, and with age, this connection can weaken not only from nerve damage, but from reduced use. Both ginseng and green tea have neuroprotective properties that help preserve motor neuron function, which is essential for balance, reaction time, and coordinated movement. To prepare ginseng green tea, steep green tea leaves or a tea bag in hot water around 160 to 180 F for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add fresh ginseng slices or a small amount of ginseng powder and steep for another 5 minutes. A touch of honey or lemon can be added for taste. Drinking this tea in the morning or before midday is best, as it can provide lasting energy without affecting nighttime sleep. The third tea in this muscle-supporting trio is ashwagandha root tea. While less known in the West, ashwagandha has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine to promote resilience, recovery, and balance. It is another adaptogen, but with a unique focus on calming the nervous system, reducing stress hormones, and supporting restorative sleep, all of which are crucial for muscle repair. Muscle loss in older adults is rarely caused by muscle issues alone. Sleep problems, high stress, hormonal changes, and nervous system fatigue all contribute. Elevated cortisol, the body's main stress hormone, can break down muscle tissue, interfere with hormone balance, and reduce the ability to recover. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol production, supporting both muscle health and overall well-being. This root also has neuroprotective properties, improving nerve signal transmission and protecting against oxidative stress in the brain. This is important because weakened nerve signals can lead to slower reactions, unstable walking, and a higher risk of falls. Just as important is ashwagandha's effect on sleep. deep. Uninterrupted sleep is when most muscle repair takes place, and ashwagandha can help the body reach this restorative state more consistently. To prepare ashwagandha tea, simmer 1 teaspoon of dried root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Or use a tea bag. The flavor is earthy and slightly bitter, so cinnamon, honey, or dried orange peel can be added. Drinking it about an hour before bedtime creates a calming evening ritual, signaling the body to relax and prepare for recovery. Each of these teas works on a different aspect of muscle and mobility. Support. Ginger turmeric tea improves circulation and reduces inflammation, making movement easier. Ginseng green tea boosts energy, sharpens focus, and strengthens the brain-muscle connection. Ashwagandha tea calms the nervous system, supports hormone balance, and enhances overnight recovery. Together, they address the major factors that contribute to muscle loss and weakness after 60. These teas are not a substitute for healthy eating, movement, or medical care, but they can work alongside other healthy habits to support strength and independence. The key is consistency. Drinking one of these teas every day sends a steady message to the body to repair, rebuild, and stay active. It's not about quick fixes or drastic changes, but about creating simple, sustainable routines that the body responds to over time. If your legs have been feeling weaker, your energy lower, or your balance less steady, choosing one of these teas and making it a daily habit for 30 days can be a gentle but powerful step toward improvement. Along with proper nutrition, regular movement, and enough rest, these teas can help you maintain strength, mobility, and confidence no matter your age. And while these are natural remedies, they are not neutral. Herbal teas can interact with medications or affect certain health conditions. It's important to check with a healthcare provider before making them a daily habit, especially if you're taking prescription drugs or have chronic medical issues. Used with awareness and consistency. However, these teas can be a simple, enjoyable way to give your body what it needs to stay strong and independent for years to come.